Hey, how you doing? We're going to talk polyurethane riser bushings. It's a clear material. It's much better than the stock Harley ones. But if you're ever installing your own bars, or when we do it here in the shop, we always put these bushings in. You don't want your bars to come loose. And we do see that a lot of times during inspections or services that people that have done their own bars, they didn't do the riser bushings, and it'll wear and it'll show some movement. You can see all the movement that's in there, and that just gets amplified by the time it gets up to the top of your bars where your hands are. Definitely unsafe riding on that. That's why we replace them. Pretty easy to install. I've actually just taken the upper triple tree off on this one. 3-bolt, easy enough to do. If you're on the floor, you can turn your wheel back and forth and you can get to them. But for this, I've found it's just easiest to take it off. 1/4" bolt on the bottom. Make sure you've loosened your ground strap, or just watch that it doesn't go too far. So once that's out, a couple clips on either side. The washers kind of come off for you. And sometimes you can pull these ones right out, or use a little punch and it'll come out. This one's gonna come out. So this one pushed right out. So that's a stock one. Pretty flimsy compared to polyurethane ones. And then they just simply go right back in. Just push them in. Do the same on the bottom. Torque it back down, and your bars are installed. Definitely highly recommended. They're not all that expensive, and it's just going to make it a lot better and a lot more safe for you going down the road with your higher bars.